Okay, hello guys, my name is Paul, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Welcome to my live stream. Today I'm going to talk about our first self-spotting QRP cluster, and I have prepared some scenario and the features, what the QRP cluster or what the features QRP cluster contains and how it works. Just wanted to let you know. And some maybe our future plans, what we want to do. Good, so here on the screen you can already see the QRP cluster. So let's wait for more of you, and please let me know if the sound is okay and if you see everything. So I have on my second monitor the chat. Good. So I will be able to see your possible questions, if you will have some. Okay, hello, Peter Živčić. Hello, Gabriel Galina. And greetings to Argentina, Lima, Uniform 3, Foxtrot, Golf, Golf. Good, so we are 15 already on the stream. Hello, Tomasco Castelli. I hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hope that everything is okay. Yesterday we had beautiful propagations on the bands. Also 10 meters were nicely open. Okay, Chuck, thank you for the 5 and 9. Yes, I have a 5 and 9 currently on the live stream. Okay, we are 19 people watching this live stream. As you can see, the current spots, and on the right side of the current spot, let me show you this icon right here. You can see this like ICOM. This is a number of viewers. So it's the number of the amateur radio operators who are currently online and watching our QRP cluster. So that's great, 43, and the number is increasing. Fine. So we are currently 16 only. 16 only. Let's go, guys. Okay, I think we could start the questions and answers. Good, so let me explain the first feature. What I would like to share with you and explain is how to change modulation, how to change frequency, or possibly locator when you are doing on a new spot. So if you go to cosine, let me say, if you go to cosine and Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, put the locator Kilo November 08 Uniform Victor. As you see, as you noticed, that If you put a small letters, it will automatically change to a capital letters. So locator, if you have any prefix, so if you are currently running portable, or you are mobile or maritime mobile or airplane mobile, you have to switch one of them. Let's say I'm portable right now, so I'm going to frequency 14200, and the frequency have to be in kilohertz. Okay, no point, no dot, anything like that, no dash, just 14200 kilohertz. Of course, if you would like to put a point, it will be corrected automatically. As you see, I'm trying to put the point or dot, and it is correcting me. Okay, the second thing is the mode. Primarily, is there a SSB mode, but you can change it to the FM, CW, or digital. And if you go to note, it's a very good thing if you would like to note here your actual situation. I will say that maybe your power, your antenna, or something special. So I'm going to put my fake spot, yes, at this time. So I will put the Xiegu X6100 and let's say 10 watts. Yes, and magnetic loop antenna. Good. This is how it works. Now we can add a spot. And we are currently here. Don't go to 14200 because I'm not right there. It's just a test and for the purpose of this video. Okay, I changed the mode to a digital, and now I would like to show you how to change the mode or how to correct the mode. It's very simple. You have to go back to this ADD spot, to this table. You have to input the same details like Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, locator Kilo Nancy 08 Victor Tango, Uniform Victor 08 Uniform Victor, okay, and I leave a portable frequency 14200, and here I set to single sideband. Okay, note I can copy the same. Okay, I think it's not. It's not good. It's not. I can't copy that. So Xiegu X6100. Okay, that's enough. So I'm currently changing two parameters which are let's say wrongly put in my previous spot. So I just put a new details. These are currently correct, and you will see after you add a spot that this your previous spot will be renewed or replaced. So as you can see here in this line here, after I add the spot, you see that everything has changed in this spot. So you see that my cosine frequency is the same, but the mode is SSB, and also node has changed. So this is how it works. You are not creating another second spot which is different, but you are changing your previous spot. This is due to your call sign, of course. If you put a different call sign, then it doesn't work like this. Good, so let me see, we are 25 people on the stream. Very well, okay. Good, so the second thing is how to look at the call signs QRZ.com profile. Yes, this is the another hidden feature, I will say. If you click on the call sign here, wherever you wish to. So I go to my call sign, and here you will see also this profile in a new window. And yeah, you see my picture. So of course we can look at Papa Uniform 5, Hotel Mike Romeo, and Elio Ricardo, but no picture, and some other things. Okay, so this is how it works if you wish to look up on the station on the spot. Good. So the next thing is how to listen. Yeah, this is a very interesting feature, how to listen a spot on the online SDR receiver. So those of you who are not able to turn on the radio, you don't have any receiver at this moment with you, and you wish like to monitor this spotted station operator, you have to click on the frequency right here, and you will be redirected to a SDR receiver on online SDR receivers, and you see that the frequency has been set and also mode has been set. Okay, and let's say we try the CW. Okay, there is different bandwidth and also different mode. So also if you click on the frequency, as you see that the frequency is set 28062, and CW is also switched. So this is how it works. If you wish to listen the spotted stations without your hardware receiver. Okay, the next thing is how to find a current spot's location. So if you have an interesting spot in the cluster and you wish to see what is a current location of this operator, yeah, you have to go to locator and click on his locator in the spot, and you will be redirected to the map. And here you can see almost precise location of him. So this is my location. I'm living here in eastern Slovakia, as you see here. Yeah, that is my location. So here you can see this grid, and here I am located. This is a very good thing when somebody is mobile, let's say, and he can change his location a couple of times during being spotted in the cluster. So this is the way how you can change your location, how you can let the people know where you are currently located. So I repeat again how you do that. Just to click on this locator right next to the spotter spot. Well, the next thing is as you can notice, yeah, that the modes, as you see, are with different colors. That means that the single sideband is the green color, FM is the blue one, CW is yellow. This is good, and this is the preparation for our next filter. So we are currently working on a filter, and this is a part of the filter, of the next filter. So in our filter, you will be able to pick up the station which you wish to watch, or if you, let's say, select the band which you wish to watch, or maybe also locator. So this is currently in progress and we are working on it. So I hope that very soon, maybe I presume first version of the this filter should be or could be available after 1 week. I think this will be very good feature in the future. Okay, yes, I explained already this eye icon, which you can see here right next to the current spots. This eye means that how many people are currently watching this QRP cluster. And this is real-time refreshing. So also all spots are refreshing in real time every second. Good. So I explain how to add a spot, so I can repeat again. So put the call sign. I need to say that the CB call signs are not allowed to add here into this QRP cluster. So no CB call sign, just ham radio call sign. Very important, because we had seen a couple of them, and there is very interesting information for the CB operators. We are also planning to the future to create also a CB cluster. So it will be the same cluster as this one, maybe some minor differences, but it will be something about the same. And it will be only for the CB operators. And but yeah, we need firstly made or finish this one for 100%, and then we will create also a cluster for CB operators. Also, there is one thing. If you go to frequency, okay, if you go to frequency and if you put some different frequency, let's say CB frequency 27555, you can see that it is not possible to input a CB frequencies. So it must be within the amateur radio bands. This is kind of filter. Okay, so what's next? Input a locator is not mandatory, so you don't need it, but it's fully recommended to put a locator, because the people actually knows where you are located. They don't need to go to your QRZ page and find your location. Just put your locator over there. People just click on this locator and they will know and actually see what is your location on the map. So it's a very good tool for everybody. There are two options how you can input data. If you are currently running QRP or portable and you wish to spot yourself, this is an option number one. So you are a spotter and you are a spotted station. Of course, you can be a witness of some very interesting station on the band and you wish to put him into this cluster. Do that. This is the second option. But just one thing, that we are still working QRP portable mobile or maritime mobile or airplane mobile only. So no special DX, I mean like expeditions or something like that. Just normal QRP portable mobile or maritime mobile, because the QRP cluster is mainly focused on those stations with a small antennas or with small power and with a special conditions, not 100 watts or 1 kilowatt station or step IR antennas, big antennas, and so on. This is not very interesting. They have many other clusters on the internet. Good. So let's say the next thing. Select the mode. Yes, this as I explained. We have 4 different modes. Under digital, we need we think about the FT8, RTTY, FT4, and some other things. So let me explain again these prefixes like here. So the P is portable, M is mobile, MM is maritime mobile, and AM is airplane mobile. Good. Yeah, it's a very good thing to use the note, because you let the people know what is your current equipment, and so good. So the frequency I've explained. The maximum is 7 digits. You can input maximally 7 digits into the frequency window. And it must be in kilohertz. No point, no dot. Okay, there is also one thing here about QRP cluster. If you click on the QRP cluster, okay, I'm in the way. So as you can see, there are some basic informations about what is the QRP and how the QRP cluster should work. All this information also you can find here, and why QRP cluster. So the main thing why we have this QRP cluster is that people with a small antenna or small power need something like that, need to know the people on the bands that we are there, we are trying to work with low power and small antenna, especially a compromise antenna. Also, many people like me, when I'm working 100 watts, I'm very interested in to work stations like QRP mobile. This is for me something special. As lastly, I recently made beautiful DX contact from the magnetic loop antenna and 5 watts into South Africa, 9,200 kilometers. It was my best DX with only QRP equipment. So maybe if this guy didn't know about me, where I am currently, on what frequency, in what mode, I presume that I will be not able to do this. And this is how actually this QRP cluster works. Okay, so I think it is all. Okay, yeah, that is all regarding this QRP cluster. There on the bottom, you see in the footer, you can see here the version number 1. It's still version number 1. I presume that in the version number 2 will be already a filter included. And special thanks for this coding of this website to Mr. Peter Oscar Mike 6 Alpha Papa November. Yeah, he's a very smart guy, and I believe that this QRP cluster has a future. Down there you can see also my website, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, and I have here a contact formula or form. And yeah, you can here find also my Maglub antennas, which I'm selling. There are plenty information about this antenna. Good. Now something about our plans. Yes, we have some plans to the future. Oh gosh. We have some plans to the future. What the new feature we would like to add into our cluster. So one of them is this filter. Filtering is a very important thing, and it will be able to filter by mode, band, and locator. There should be also a search cosine possibility, so some window where you type a cosine you wish to look up, and yeah, it should be visible. There is also a hidden history of the contacts, but every single day it is currently deleting, and always a new list of the spots appears after 1 o'clock Central European time or 0 o'clock UTC. So you can notice that every morning you can see empty, almost empty list, because it's deleting on the window only. So it is going to the history. This is always in the database, but not here on the window. But we plan to roll, infinite rolling these spots to the future, so it will be not deleting every day. It will be always over there, and you will find a cosine from the history by this search window. Okay, the next thing is, and also very funny and interesting, I believe, and very helpful, is to add, or we plan to add, the mini chat. I think that the mini chat is important, especially if you maybe would like to send a message to the spotting station. Let's say I hear you 59 in, let's say, I don't know where. If you see somebody like there, a Papa Uniform 5 Hotel Mike Romeo, and you wish to let him know that you have a little receiver in across the world, and you just let him know that he is very strong in your location, you can just put a message to this guy, to this mini chat. So the mini chat will be in the future also part of this QRP cluster. I presume that in the PC version, because you can also watch this website on the mobile phone, because design of this website is designed for the mobile phones also, and for computers. In the computer version, the mini chat should be on the place of my camera right now, so you can see that. So here, where is my camera? There should be somewhere this mini chat right under this table add spot. In the mobile version, we are still thinking about maybe it will be under the list, or I don't know yet. Okay. Okay, and yeah, and the last thing what we just in plan, what we have just in plan is that we plan to to make a difference in new spots and current spots, or let's say older spots and current spots, or currently added, or the newly added spots. These new spots should be backlighted by some color, and you will see immediately that these 1 or 2 or 3 spots are new and they were added just a while ago. It's very important to mention also this time over here on the left, right next to the QRP cluster logo. Because you can compare a current UTC time with UTC time of the spotter or of the spotting station. So as you can see here, that Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango Portable just spot himself at 1338, and we have currently 1400. It's quite a long time, and it's not really big chance that you will find him on the same frequency where he spotted. So, but maybe 5-10 minutes after this time, yeah, there is quite a big chance that you will find him on the frequency. Okay, so that's all about my plans, and there are some other things, but it's not very important for now to tell you about that. And into the chat, I plan to add maybe some new news. In the chat, I can write time to time some news regarding the QRP cluster. Okay, so let's go to your questions. Let me see that. Okay. Daniel, Mike 7, Bravo, Charlie, Echo, good afternoon. Good morning to Brazil. Papa Uniform 2, Oscar Sierra Romeo. Also, very good afternoon to Foxtrot for India, Foxtrot Quebec Portable. And also Marco, hello Marco, nice to meet you, and good afternoon to you. Yes, you are very welcome to test it. I tested already many times, and I really think it is really good tool. Actually, I monitor time to time spotting frequencies or spotted frequencies. I monitor sometimes, and yeah, it happened once that I heard the stations who just came to this frequency because he had seen a spot on our QRP cluster, because he said it. So that's great. Alberto P. Then anyone can change your spot by typing your call sign. Yes, actually yes. This is all about a ham spirit. I would say that we don't need to do the bad things to our colleagues. So I hope that there will be nobody like this that will change spots just for fun or something like that. If we will see that something like that is happening, we will do some fixes on this spotting, but this is currently very simple, and I believe that it's a good solution to how to do that. But if will be something like that a problem in the future, we will fix it. Good. So the next Randy Gideon. Hello, Randy, and greetings to California. Laszlo Batari. Hello. Thank you very much for your support and for your donation today. Thank you very much. Apostolos Androutsos, Sierra Victor 4 India Mike November, nice to meet you. And also greetings to Switzerland. Hello, Philip. Hotel Bravo 9 Golf Uniform Romeo. So I believe that for your maglobe antenna and QRP operation, this QRP cluster will be a good tool and very helpful. All right. Next is... Okay, I just lost. There is a question or note from Marco regarding the application. I don't know if the application is better or not. There is a lot of stuff regarding the application. You need to fix the bugs all the time because a new Android will appear. A new version of the Android will appear. You need to fix some things all the time on the application. So I don't know. There is no plans currently to do this. So Colin in Victor Kilo, will you make it that you have to log in with proof of cosine so it does not get abused like the examit those with fake messages? Yes, this is like what I told just a while ago. If we will see there is some new fake spots or something like that, somebody is doing something wrong, we will fix it, and possibly, yes, we will make mandatory to register first and then spotting, because then we can ban somebody who would like to do a bad things on this QRP cluster. So yes, it is possible to the future. Okay, Harry Pabberdy looks very interesting. Thank you. 2 Echo 0 Oscar Charlie November. Thank you very much also for using it. Hello, Thomas Buzz Horseman. Nice to meet you. Hi, Steve Joyner. Also nice to meet you. And you're enjoying using the cluster. Will you be adding a registration and logging? Thanks, Mike 7 Golf Whiskey Juliet. Yes, Steve, I just say that if we will see that there is something wrong with the fake spots or something like that, yes, we have to be registered all. But the main thing currently is to make this QRP cluster as easier as it is possible for everyone. Okay, and yeah, okay, Steve, so I just answered to your questions. Okay, very well. So if you have any possibility to share the QRPcluster.com on the social media, I will be very happy to, if you do that, please do it. We need as many people or visitors as we can, because if we will have many visitors, there is a really bigger chance to be success after spotting in a QRP cluster and to be visible and to be seen by the others. So thank you very much, guys. I don't see any more questions. There is a question from Thomas Buzz Horseman. What power limit will it be to be maximum for QRP status? Yeah, there is, I think, regarding the ARRL that 10 watts is the maximum power rating as to be called as the QRP. 10 watts, but only on phone. If you are running CW or mode, digital mode, it is not the same. Also, if you are possibly no, I think that the CW and the digital only 5 watts. So CW and digital 5 watts and 10 watts is the phone. This is all okay. We accept also if you are running 50 watts, let's say, or if you are running 100 watts, but you must be portable or a mobile station or maritime mobile or airplane mobile. You can use also more power and spot yourself, but you have to be mobile, portable, maritime mobile, airplane mobile. If you are just a standard static station at home or the base station and you're running 100 watts, this is not count as a QRP or any others. So this is how it works. And there was a question from Marco, or just a note. Yeah, app will be a big effort. Yeah, that's the biggest problem, that we always have some new versions of the Android or iOS, and it's not so easy. Website is always the same, and it can be open in very easily in a mobile phone or a computer. Yeah, QRP 10 watts is maximum, but only for phone. 5 watt is maximum for digital and a CW. Indeed, 2 Echo 0 Lima Alpha Romeo High Pole. Well, from my point of view, it's worth its weight in gold. Found station and have worked them. I have now got the link in my QRP videos on my YouTube channel. Very well. So I will be very happy for everybody who will share the QRP cluster, and I really will be happy if you, or we all, if you will use this tool on the daily basis. Actually, you can be a spotter. You don't need to be only a QRP operator. You can be sitting at your room, at your ham shack in front of the big radio and 1 kilowatt, but you can monitor those frequencies. You can see and make the contacts with them, or you can also spotting if you will hear somebody is trying to work QRP mobile or portable and calling CQ, and you can help him if you put him into this QRP cluster. This is also the way how we can help those people. Philip Hake, it is possible our spot if we are finished. No, there is no possible to delete a spot. No, this is currently not possible, but there is one option. This is very good question, by the way, Philip. If you are going QRT and you still have here a spot, you can do a following thing. Let's say I'm here, I'm Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. And if you go to the call sign, if you copy all the details, or M0 ET and portable, you can also delete your locator. You can also put the frequency the same, like 14200 SSB, and here into node you can write just QRT, okay, and add spot. And you can see here that your spot has been added to the front on top of the list, and there is a note that you went QRT. This is one of the options how you can do it currently, just the only one option how you can do it when you went QRT. Maybe in the future after registration it will be possible to delete your spots, but not at this time. So you can modify your old spot this way I showed you, and this is the only option. Okay. Okay, if you use it, everyone, then pass it on to fellow station. I did to a guy the other week and was really happy to hear of it. That sounds great, Andy. Thank you, Colin. Thank you very much. That for a version number 1, it looks great. We are very happy. Yeah, we are still working on a books. We always find something. Also, we read a chat under, or we read comments under the video, and I'm getting tons of emails with suggestions and questions and some other thing. And this was the reason why I made this video with questions and answers, because it consumes me a lot of time to answer all those emails what I get, what I got from here. Good, guys, so this is all. So thank you very much for your participation on this video. Thank you very much for coming, for your questions. And finally, I would like to thanks to Oscar Mike 6 Alpha Papa November, who created a code for our QRP website. The hosting and the other things like a domain and hosting, it's paid by me, and I don't know, maybe to the future there will be a place for some advertisements here on this website. For now, it is completely on me and on Oscar Mike 6 Alpha Papa November. So the main thing is to help the people with the QRP and the portable to mobile stations. And I really hope that it will help to all of them. So I'm still reading this. So 73 guys. And I hope to see you in my next live stream. Maybe today I will do a second live stream with my standard activity. When I turn on the ICOM transceiver, and maybe I will do a few contacts. So see you again. 73, have a good week. Bye.